So if you click this video, you want to learn how to make a headscarf. That can also sub as a really cute mask with a little like bow on your head. So it looks like you're wearing a headband. It's super adorable. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab a bandana if you have one and trace it on some paper. Newspaper, gift wrapping paper, tracing paper, whatever you got. Or you can just do it straight onto the fabric if you want. If you don't have a bandana, the measurements are approximately 28 inches by 19 by 19. Make sure you allow for some seam allowance. You're going to want to do a double rolled hem on the two shorter sides. And for that, you'll need at least, give yourself about an inch. Now you're going to want to cut the ribbon that ties it all together. Next, you're going to want to measure how long you want the ribbon to be. I wanted mine to be long and dangly, so that was 96 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. If you want your ribbon to be a little bit shorter, I would recommend about 55 inches or 60 inches in length. Next, take your triangle to the ironing board and iron it out. Drop your camera and almost break it, and by camera I mean phone. Or better yet, don't drop it. Now you're going to want to hem the two shorter sides that are about 19 inches in length. Well, they should be a bit longer if you added room for seam allowance. You're going to want to do a rolled hem here. On my sewing machine, I have a rolled hem foot. It's not necessary. You can just roll the hem as you go. However, if you do want a rolled hem foot, you can get them on Amazon for I believe $14 and gives you 3 different sizes. Do this to both of the shorter sides. Leave the long side as a raw edge. Next, you're going to want to take the ribbon part and iron it out. Once you've ironed it out, you're going to want to fold the edges inward and iron those down about 1/2 inch in. Wait, yes, less than 1/2 inch, depending on how wide you want the band. Ultimately, you can decide. I believe I did about 1/2 inch in though. And then I folded it one more time so that it was like a little sandwich, or a very long sandwich, whichever. You're going to want to take your triangle piece and take the long edge that is left raw and sandwich it in the middle of this opening. Once the triangle is secured in between the two folded pieces, you're going to want to sew the top edge and then the bottom edge. For the end of the ribbon that wraps around your head, you're going to want to take the end and fold it in so that there's no exposed edges. And there you have it. Your own Ukrainian head wrap, or whatever you want it to be. You can wear it as a mask with a little pretty bow on top of your head. You just tie it around the back of your head there. You can wear it as it's meant to be, a headscarf. Or you can go watch the rest of my videos and make a matching ensemble. A mask, a necktie, a headscarf, and even a scrunchie, which is not featured here, but it does exist.